Hi, I'm Mira, product owner of hsbMake. Today, I'm delighted to announce the release of our new product, hsbView. At hsbcad, we've been looking into pain points of small and medium offsite timber producers who are currently dealing with inefficiencies such as production errors and delays that are caused by paper shop drawings. For those companies that are looking forward to streamline their production workflow, we have created hsbView, your gateway to a paperless factory. It's a standalone and out-of-the-box solution that allows your operators to have access to the latest digital shop drawings. This eliminates the risk of errors and delays that are caused by outdated information. With a quick and easy setup, you can work with your shop drawings immediately. Plus, you get to enjoy the benefits of having paperless factory environment. So, if design revisions appear, you'll make sure that only the correct shop drawings are present in a factory. This increases production speed by eliminating the bottlenecks of managing and distributing paper shop drawings. Besides that, hsbView allows the operators to instantly measure any missing dimensions within elements, which is preventing the loss of time. We wanted to make sure that hsbView was accessible for all offsite producers, small or large. If you would like to transition your factory to a fully paperless production, you can get started today with hsbView for €50 a month. To purchase or request more information tailored to your region, please contact us at hsbcad.com.